Welcome to Italia Conti Virtual. Please make sure you read the disclaimer before taking part. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for alerts on all new upcoming content. And have a good class.
Okay, Amelie, let's take our Battement Glisse exercise with PK. So we're starting in fifth position, arm bras bar. Quick preparation, 5, a 6, a 7, 8. Taking a Battement Glisse devant with the accent out, so with a hold, close, and 2 with the accent in, so quicker, in and in. So timing-wise, it goes 1, 2, and in, then glisse out. 2 strong PKs, peak, peak, and close. Same to the side. 1, slow, change, quick and quick. Hold out, peak, peak, and close. Same derriere. 1, slow and quick, out, peak, peak, and close. Then we're going to do battement cloche, extending derriere on 1, cloche 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, close 8 derriere. Then we reverse the whole thing from the back. Accent out, close and in, out, peak, peak, and close. Side, change, quick, quick, out, peak, peak, close. Devant, slow and quick, out, peak, peak, and close. Front, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Finish devant, bras bar to finish. Yeah, so just keep those cloches moving for 7. Have we got that? Great. Okay, Amelie, we're going to break down the technique, and also I want to talk about the dynamics of this step, because obviously glisse we're going a little faster. We've got sharp movements of the PK, so we need to talk about dynamics and timing. So we take our preparation, arm is to second. So in dance, we generally talk about the accent being the count, the 1, the 2. So the first glisse technically is accent out. So you hold out, close, and then 2 with the accent in, so they're quicker, and in. So timing-wise, that would be 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, and 4. That's it. So we've got to get that timing really crisp. Then the last glisse, you hold out. And again, all these positions, the glisse and the PKs, are glisse height for this exercise. 2 PKs, peak, peak. Now, I always say that's very nice. It's not just the toes. I always think of the whole leg doing the PK. So it's a nice strong movement of the whole leg, and obviously strength in the metatarsals as well. And the sensation, I want you to imagine the floor is burning hot, fire, and you don't want to burn your toes, so it's off, off, off. That's it, just off the floor, off, off, small movement. Can we try that devant with the glisses into the peak, peak? 6, 7, 8, out, close, and in, out, peak, peak. Very nice, good. Then we want to replicate that to the side and the back. Go, out, boom, and in, out, peak, peak. Not bad. Just, again, when we go to the second, try and think about the dynamics of the timing. A slight hold, close. You see, there's a nanosecond of a hold, close, and in. So you're really playing with the musicality. 6, 7, 8, hold, close, and in. Out, peak, lovely, close. Then we go to the back, out. Are we making sure line of the leg is directly behind you, Amelie? Yeah. And keep your hips nice and square to the front. So the tummy is zipped, pelvis is stable, and the leg is behind. Do the section to the back. 6, 7, 8, out, in. Again, to the back. It's always harder to articulate everything to the back. That same dynamic and musicality. So there's that swish hold for that first one. Hold, close. And you see that's nanosecond of stillness. 6, 7, 8, hold, close, and in, out, peak, peak. Good. Then we're going to glisse to the back, and your series of cloche, again, don't be tempted to lift the foot too high. Obviously, we have different heights of cloche. If we're doing a grand battement, the leg would go a lot higher. For the battement glisse exercise, we want to keep the toes just glisse height. So it's less is more, but you want to brush through the first. It's fast, but we still want a little bit of pressure through the first. So you almost like you're brushing the floor with the underneath foot, like you're trying to clean the floor. That's it. Because then, do you see, we get the quality of the footwork, the movement. Also, think about it logically. You are strengthening the muscles underneath the foot and also working your inner thighs. Does that make sense? Great, okay. Six, prepare and hold, close and in, out, strong, peak, good. Same to the side, in, out, peak, derriere, hold, and in, out, peak, into the cloche, out, brush, derriere, repeat, in, out, strong, piqué, switch, and in, out, strong, piqué, devant, sha, down, in, out, peak, close, front, back, brush, and finish. Well done. Prepare, hold it, in, strong leg, peak, close, out, cross, out, peak, leg behind, in, stretch out, peak, push out, brush, and from the back, out, in, out, peak, cross your fifth, out, strong leg, peak, devant, out, peak, close, front, back, brush, and finish it off. Very nice. Six, prepare and hold, close and in, out, strong, peak, good. Same to the side, in, out, peak, derriere, hold, and in, out, peak, into the cloche, out, brush, derriere, repeat, in, out, strong, piqué, switch, and in, out, strong, piqué, devant, sha, down, in, out, peak, close, front, back, brush, and finish. Well done. And prepare, hold it, in, strong leg, peak, close, out, cross, out, peak, leg behind, in, stretch out, peak, push out, brush, and from the back, out, in, out, peak, cross your fifth, out, strong leg, peak, devant, out, peak, close, front, back, brush, and finish it off. Very nice.